Ravinder Singh is finally here.
Hi.
Round of applause for the gentleman, guys. And a warm welcome to everyone present here at Crossword. Cultural and social interaction, where authors and poets hold court, and where people gravitate to be informed, entertained, even enlightened. We are gathered here for the launch of Like It Happened Yesterday by Ravinder Singh. Ravinder, a warm welcome to you.
Thank you so much.
We also have with us veteran actor, producer, teacher, as also author, Mr. Anupam Kher. Mr. Kher, what an honor it is to have you here with us today. Before we start, we'd also like to thank Penguin Books for making this event possible. A little about the book before we start off, though I see copies of it with almost everyone here today. I'm sure many of you have read it already. Like It Happened Yesterday comes as a highly anticipated third book by India's highest selling and much loved writer, Ravinder Singh. Based on his childhood days, the book is sure to bring back memories of your early days. Remember the time you broke your first tooth or fell in love for the first time? This book is sure to take you down memory lane and leave you with tons of nostalgic smiles by the end of it. Its author, Ravinder Singh, is the best-selling author of I Too Had a Love Story, as also Can Love Happen Twice? After having spent most of his life in Burla, a very small town in western Orissa, Ravinder is currently based out of New Delhi. He is an MBA from the Indian School of Business, and after having worked with a few Indian and multinational IT companies for more than 8 years, Ravinder has finally taken up writing full-time. He loves playing snooker, I believe, in his free time, which I don't think you get a lot of. And he's also crazy about Punjabi music and loves dancing to its beat. A round of applause for the man of the moment, guys. Let's take a sneak peek into what the book is all about.
Hello, I'm your author Ravinder Singh. You have read my books I Too Had a Love Story and Can Love Happen Twice, and rewarded me with your love and appreciation. But I wasn't always the grown man you got to know through these books. I too, like all us humans, was born a baby, just a bit more notorious, in a Sikh family at a place called Burla in Odisha. Like all parents do, my parents loved me a lot too. And loving parents send their kids to school. And we all join school. Reluctantly. Now this is where our tales and stories all begin. Isn't it? From our life's first lessons to the more important moralistic lessons, from our first daring acts to not so entertaining moments, from our first happy illusions to the first bitter realities. It all starts here and remains with us all our lives. As we grow older, we learn of things we like and the ones we don't. Our curiosities are never quite completely addressed. We never believe our overtly studious classmates. And that's why we doubt our own eyes. And when it gets tough for us to put our questions to rest, We turn to the textbooks as a last resort for our answers. In this whole growing up process, we discover many things about ourselves. Through this phase of adolescence, some of us evolve to become grown-ups. Some of us remain quite naive always. And some of us eventually pen down all those funny, sweet, naughty, innocent, and memorable moments of our lives that make us nostalgic and feel like it happened yesterday.
Has gone into that book trailer, guys.
I just want to introduce Sangram and Saurav. Saurav is the guy in the white shirt who did entire brainstorming for this video. Sangram handled the entire campaign promotion of Like It Happened yesterday. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Biggest fan of Ravinder. Rupali, can you please join us at the launch of the book, please? A round of applause for her, as also the gentleman.
Shall we? Yeah, just need to clear it up and then get going with it.
I think this is a cue for the shutterbucks to be ready. Of autograph copies at the end of this. We'll take that after the launch. More than a couple of copies from what I believe.